I am washing fruits. I am chopping vegetables. I am peeling potatoes. I am cutting carrots. I am slicing tomatoes. I am dicing potatoes. I am grating cheese. I am frying eggs. I am spreading butter. I am whisking eggs. I am flipping pancakes. I am scrambling eggs. I am boiling eggs. I am toasting bread. I am roasting vegetables. I am boiling water. I am cracking eggs. I am brewing coffee. I am adding sugar to tea. I am blending a smoothie. I am squeezing lemon. I am saturing onion. I am pinching salt into the salad. I am grilling the chicken. I am carving the turkey. I am rolling out the dough. I am stirring the soup. I am whipping cream. I am peeling oranges. I am separating egg whites and egg yolks. I am ladling the soup into bowls. I am marinating the steak. I am mashing potatoes. I am wrapping the dough in cling film to rest. I am arranging cookies on the baking sheet. I am crushing garlic. I am scooping ice cream.